Magic Ray Underfill Adhesive AOI VF5300 adopts a side camera solution, which is suitable for UV adhesive climbing height detection on the side of components such as BGA and CSP. It is compatible with various glue detections such as UV and RTV, as well as basic component inspection. It can also be equipped with optional thickness and height measurement modules. VF5300 has the industry-leading 5-sided inspection solution, which adopts the 1+4 mode of the main camera and side cameras. It expands the field of view of the inspection based on the main camera, upgrades the traditional 1-sided inspection to 5-sided inspection, and solves the inspection blind spot problem of traditional vertical photography. VF5300 has more professional glue inspection capabilities, equipped with multiple light sources, and can flexibly configure light sources for glues with different features. For example, to detect UV adhesive containing fluorescentors, using UV lighting with side camera for imaging can achieve excellent inspection effect. VF5300 has a more complete data presentation, which can automatically draw the side glue contour line and clearly distinguish the glue boundary. We can slide the mouse to view the height percentage of any position of the side glue climbing. Meanwhile, it supports to save 5-sided images and test data for easy process backcheck. VF5300 has a more efficient and stable inspection platform, adopting a technologically advanced double-sided platform, supporting simultaneous inspection of top and bottom images, thereby greatly improves inspection efficiency. Adhesive dispensing inspection, comprehensive for every side. Magic Ray Underfill Adhesive AOI VF5300. Magic Ray technology.